Hello Year 8, just a video to see how you all are and to say hi. We're really missing you, me and Miss Gillard, but we do hope that you're getting on okay. It has been really lovely to hear from so many of you on email and when I've called you as well, and Miss Gillard, who's called quite a lot of you. It sounds like you are getting on okay and doing the best that you can do in this really difficult situation. Thank you for everyone that filled out the form. I'm going to go through that and just give some hopefully really good advice from your peers about what to do to keep yourself busy, to keep yourself in a positive mood, and some tips about how to do some work and everything and how to just keep positive as much as you can. I'm just going to pass you over to Miss Gillard for a quick message. So, Miss Gillard.
Hello. Hello to all our Year 8s. I'm really missing you, and I hope that you and your families are all keeping well. Over the last 7 weeks, it's been really strange not being at school, and I hope that you've all made the adjustments to this strange situation. I do love, like Miss Coote said, getting all your emails, and there's so many of you emailing me daily and weekly, and it's really good to hear from you. You're probably aware that Mrs. Coote and I are working every day, and we're on our emails, so you can email us even if it's not about work. Just let us know how you are. The other thing I was going to say is I hope that you're keeping in touch with your friends through all your social media platforms. I hope you are, but if you haven't heard from someone in a while and you're a bit concerned about their well-being, you can always send me a quick email and I can give them a quick call to check that they're okay. I won't mention your name or anything, but we just need to make sure we're all looking out for each other. So please take care, all of you. I'd love to hear from you soon. And I'll see you soon, as soon as we're allowed back in school. Take care, all of you, and keep in touch.
Okay, so this is some information from the form. So what have you done this week to help your mental health? So I've got some answers, some really good answers. So just keep in contact with friends on call, which is important. So thank you. Baking, which is a really good idea. I've done some baking as well. Made a pavlova, don't know if you know what that is, and some banana bread. I did make some scones, but my scales are broken, so they worked out not great. So try to do some baking with some scales that work. Just remember that you are healthy and then you will believe it. So that's a message from one of your peers as well. So people that are worrying that you're sick, trying to be positive. Go out on walks or sit in your garden. So it is really important to make sure that you're going outside when you can, as long as you're social distancing. Keep yourself busy and occupied, because if you aren't doing anything, that is when you can think of anything, of other things. So negative things, for example. Really good advice again from one of your peers, making sure that you're busy with your work or even just things around the house. You might be helping your parents around the house. You might just be watching something interesting on TV, but just make sure that you're not sat on your phone, just on social media, because it can be quite negative. So keeping yourself busy, really good. Do all the work you are sent on that day, so then when it gets to the end of the week, you only have one piece. So thank you to who said that. To spend time with people in your household whilst you can. Stay in touch with your family and friends over FaceTime. Thank you. Tidy room equals tidy minds. Well done to who said that. I think that's really important. I find that I can't focus until I've tidied and cleaned the kitchen. So exercise, FaceTime friends, family, go outside, watch movies, really good. I think that FaceTiming is really important, but exercise, I don't know if any of you have been doing the Mr. Sari's workout videos. I know I have. So important to exercise. You can sometimes feel really lethargic, really lazy, really tired, and you don't have the energy to go to exercise. But when you do, it'll actually give you more energy and you'll feel better for it. So try to make sure that you're exercising. It's so important. So creative art sessions where you can draw whatever you like. Thank you to whoever said that. Absolutely. The task that I set you this week, you could draw from any image you wanted to, but also you can do anything else as well. It's difficult because materials, you'll have different things, but just be experimental and try new things. Be creative. Make sure you're mostly in contact with your friends a lot, as you normally are as you're in school. Thank you to who said that. Someone said a really good game. With their mum, they've been playing a game where they throw a ball to each other. So again, good exercise and something to keep you busy. Relax and take your time. Thank you to who said that. Call your friends or your best friend. and exercise every day to hit my goal of running a half marathon. That's amazing. Well done. And beat their mum's time as well. I know exactly who that is. I can't say, but that is absolutely amazing. They're going to run a half marathon. Well done. Think positively. Thank you to who said that. Making sure you have a quiet environment to work in and listen to calming music. That's a really good tip. Thank you to who said that. That's really, really good. Listening to nice, chilled out music and nice playlists that's just in the background will help you focus and just help you relax. So what I've got here as well is this is some work that people have said they are most proud of this week. So what's really nice is there's a massive range here of different tasks. So you've got geography test, history, drama homework on Frankenstein, science DNA homework, science music work, French and German because they took a whole day. Well done for doing that. Science PowerPoint. They enjoyed going on a nature walk, taking photos and producing the PowerPoint. Well done. I know exactly who that was and I saw that work and it was fantastic. So well done. My maths, because it took up 4 pages of their book. Well done. So it's really good to get that satisfaction of doing some great work. Food and nutrition. Someone made a lemon cheesecake. So well done. English homework on Seneca. Someone's reading The Boy in the Striped Pyjamas and they've been doing tasks on that and they're proud of that. Well done. Catching up on English and maths work. Well done. Burning fossil fuels leaflet in science. That's really interesting. So well done. So obviously so many of you are proud of lots and lots and lots of work. But what I will say is don't feel the pressure to do absolutely everything completely on time. If you're struggling, email me. Email Miss Gillard or email your individual teachers. You can ask for extra time and we are here to support you. We can look at a timetable for you if you're struggling to manage your time and we can help you with different tasks. As Miss Gillard said, you mustn't forget that we are here, your teachers are here working still every day, so they're there to help you and we're there to help you. So any individual task that you're struggling with, if you don't understand the task, and you can just email your teacher, or those of you that are using Microsoft Teams, just use that to message your teacher and to ask for some help. But as Miss Gillard said, any other issues, if you're concerned about a friend, if you're yourself, you're struggling at all, maybe you're feeling really down, please make sure that you're reaching out and emailing us or sending us a message on Teams. We can call you, we can respond in email and we can respond in Teams, but please make sure that you're doing that and please make sure that you're looking out for your friends, as Miss Gillard said. Make sure that you let us know if you are worried about them at all and let your parents know, okay? So I'm hoping that this week is a really positive week for you all. Make sure that you do as much work as you can, but also prioritise things such as baking, such as going outside and doing some exercise, doing something creative and speaking to your friends. It's important to make sure that you are prioritising yourself as well as your work, okay? So have a really, really good week. Please keep in contact. We will be contacting you if we don't hear from you at all, or if you've not done any work. We will contact you just to make sure that you are okay and to make sure that we help you in any way at all. But if we get that contact from you, then that will be great. So possibly you'll receive a call from us in the week if we don't hear anything. Make sure that you are submitting all your work to all your teachers, and if you struggle with any of that at all, please send an email. So if we don't hear anything, no work to any teachers, we'll call you. But if you're sending your work in, you can carry on what you're doing. We won't contact you, so don't worry, okay? We're just here if you need us. So have a really, really positive week. Hopefully you can take some of this great advice from your peers and have a positive week. Have some fun as well, and then you've got half term in 1 week, and then finally we're into the last half term of the year, and then you'll be going into year 9, okay? So well done to everyone that has kept in contact. We hope you're well, we hope you're safe. Make sure that you reach out, all right? Thank you, and I'll speak to you soon.